In the previous posts, we have uncovered 10 of the 11 common hindrances to getting organized. I had mentioned that there are 11 common roadblocks we face when it comes to organization. Let's get past these roadblocks and learn how to start organizing. We have been exploring 11 reasons you fail to get organized. If you missed the previous videos, I would encourage you to go back and watch those. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover the final video in our series covering 11 reasons you fail to get organized. You may relate to one or to several. Take heart, though, because you can overcome these obstacles and get organized. You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists at the link below. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. Stay tuned to the end of this video for more free organizing help. Now let's look at the last point in our series of 11 reasons you fail to get organized. Hindrance number 11, distraction. You get easily sidetracked. If this is your hindrance, you have probably attempted to get organized in the past, but you never made much progress. It's okay if this is you. Don't feel bad or blame yourself. That would be counterintuitive. Instead, we're going to attempt to retrain ourselves to bring a task to completion. If you have found yourself in this situation, you may have said one or more things like, "Oh my gosh, I've been looking for this thing forever. I'm so glad I found it. Let me see if I can remember how it works. I've had this since I graduated high school. I cannot get rid of this. I remember wearing this to my graduation. I think I have a photo of me wearing this somewhere. This electronic still works. This dress still fits. These shoes still look new." On and on your list may go. You are likely very sentimental about your belongings, which makes decluttering especially difficult. You may have things piled high and deep because you simply can't part with anything. You can think of 100 reasons to keep everything and 0 reasons why you should get rid of it. With all of this in mind, it becomes very difficult to stay the task and finish organizing anything. You have to overcome this obstacle before you can learn how to start organizing. So, how do you overcome this obstacle? This may be a great time to recruit a family member or friend who can keep you focused and minimize the distraction. First, you are going to grab a timer and pick one space to start. Set the timer for 30 minutes. Hearing that ticking timer will prompt you to stay the course. How to start organizing. Start sorting items by category. Do not start with sentimental items. Start with something easier like shoes, pajamas, or books. Sort each item into a category. I recommend using large boxes. Next, analyze how much space you actually have to work with. And, finally, be honest with yourself and decide what truly belongs in your home. If you do not find it beautiful or useful, consider who you could pass it along to. Give yourself permission to keep as much as you want only if your space permits. By working like this in 30-minute slots, you will find it less overwhelming. It gives you a time limit for how to start organizing at a pace you can manage. Some no-brainer items to toss might be electronics that no longer work, any item that is missing parts, clothing that is worn or stained, shoes that no longer fit, and books you never intend to read again. Slowly and steadily, you will gain order from the disorder. You will gain peace again in the midst of the chaos. How can you get organized if you are easily distracted? Getting organized when you're easily distracted can be challenging, but it's definitely achievable with some strategies and discipline. Here are some tips to help you get started. Identify your distractions. Understanding what distracts you is the first step. Is it your phone, social media, noise, or something else? Identify the primary sources of distraction in your environment. Create a distraction-free workspace. Designate a specific area for work or study that is free from distractions. This might involve finding a quiet corner of your home, using noise-canceling headphones, or installing website blockers to limit access to distracting websites. Establish a routine. Establishing a daily routine can help create structure and minimize distractions. Set specific times for work, breaks, and leisure activities. Stick to your schedule as much as possible to build consistency. Break tasks into smaller steps. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This can make them feel less overwhelming and easier to focus on. Set achievable goals for each session and track your progress. Use time management techniques. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for a set amount of time, e.g., 25 minutes, followed by a short break, can help improve focus and productivity. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Minimize multitasking. While it may seem like you're getting more done, multitasking can actually decrease productivity and increase distractions. Focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. Limit access to distractions. If possible, remove or minimize access to distractions during focused work periods. Put your phone on silent, log out of social media accounts, or use website blocking apps to prevent temptation. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as praying or deep breathing exercises, can help improve focus and concentration. Take regular breaks to relax your mind and reset your focus. Set clear goals. Define clear, achievable goals for each day or week. Knowing what you need to accomplish can help you stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked by distractions. Reward yourself. Set up a system of rewards for completing tasks or staying focused for a certain amount of time. This could be as simple as taking a short break, enjoying a favorite snack, or engaging in a hobby you enjoy. Remember, getting organized and overcoming distractions is a process that takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. I hope you have found this series helpful. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that, too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So, don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.